Siya kung punto, guys. That's the point. How can why should one even believe what's being reported right now, when in fact the people on the ground, particularly the so-called vloggers, I read an article, what's the difference between journalists and vloggers? Perhaps there are really a stark difference with regards to the training that you receive or whatnot. And then they also label vloggers, supposed vloggers, as people to be associated as not really highly educated. Now, my question with regards to that, do you need education to be truthful, to deliver an objective representation of what is really happening on the ground? Hello, Ate Daday, Chanel Ong, hello po sa inyo. Happy, shout out po sa inyo, Ate Daday, Ate Shiba. Nagulat ako. Tama na, that's my point. Balik ang iba, ako, bakit nag-iba ang mukha ni Sir Alvin? Nagulat ako. That's my point. And then you are going to put down all the efforts of those who are just critical about something that they're passionate about. What on earth would you think, and you call that democracy? Democracy is where free thinking of ideas should be even allowed. Why would you curtail somebody's freedom of expression just because they happen to possess a differing view? That is my point of view. Aldo tong sa una trending na interview. No. Debbie, that's not Aldo. That's definitely not Aldo. That's somebody else. Not Aldo. Yes, sir. Ang news station sa Pinas, ang fake news, kung ano ang nireport nila, madaming. Karon. So, everybody's probably shocked. Na-shock sila tanan. Kaya dito tinuod ang ipang-report nila that they are perhaps are very proud of. That's the point. Puro mga chismis ang ipangkuan, dili verified information, puro chismis. Can you imagine in this day and age, advanced ng technology, mag-report pa kag chismis? Ginoo ko, wake up. And so when will you have control over this? You will only have control over this, what's happening to our country and to our nation and to us, the people, the Filipino people, during the election. That's the only time that you can really have the power. You think ang imong isa ka vote is not enough? No. One vote against millions of funds will definitely not outweigh the collective efforts. Because perhaps one vote and then may siya two together with other. If you want change, we need to put it into action. Anara. For me, I don't even have a narrative whatsoever. What's just happened here, gina-report na ako, period, punt. There's nothing. Nakabutang, watching from dead. That's the point of view, eh. Good morning. That was a really good question when you interviewed lawyer about the mainstream media caught up in their life. Yeah. Thank you so much for Anton. Actually, thank you for the SMNI because they were the one actually expounding the questions. Narana siya. Basta the truth that matters. That's why, honestly, kanang tagline bito sa SMNI, the truth that matters, it's very, how do I say that? Instrumental in today's situation sa nahitabo kang tatay. Doon lang tayo sa the truth that matters, sa katotohanan, because it matters. Diba?
Maganda man eh. Ito na lang maganda.
Yan maganda yan.
Ito maganda.
Promote. Yes, please guys, please vote for Senator Attorney Rodante Marcoleta. We need somebody like him in the Senate. Please vote for him. Also, vote straight PDP laban, including the guest senatorial candidates, Senator Attorney Vic Rodriguez, Senator Attorney Rodante Marcoleta. Sa di ay? I-mute sa doon ako yung ni Aldo. Can you imagine? We are being fed by such information. Ginoo ko. Nagbisita ako na. Vote wisely, yes. Pinipilit na igorgor. Yes, exactly. Yung account ko inaano niyan, you can never you can never silence me. You can never silence me. Kaya bisag igurguro niya akong page, I will continue to create another and another and another and another hangtod kapuyan na mo sige report sa kuha. Let it be known. Although masayang to mga gipang send ng mga stars sa kuha, it's okay. But the most important thing is that the truth must be told. Ano na? Ikaw naman ang tuuhan sa user di ko. It's all about The Hague. It's all about what's happening here. Wait. Ano na kasi po. Ala, Myrtle, thank you po. Myrtle Baguio. Please vote straight. Vote straight PDP line up po. Talaga.
Paano lang nila?
Mauwapod mo eh. Mauwapod mo mga media na magpag-report mo gingon anak mo ra mo mga. Yes. It's shameful. It's really shameful what happened. It's what's even more shameful. Ay, sayang. Okay, 5 minutes. What's even more shameful is for medias to actually pick it up and then report it as a legitimate news. That's way beyond shameful. As a supposed highly intellectual, well-educated individuals.
Also, well-funded.
Yeah. Well-funded or whatnot, I don't know. I don't know, but I don't want to go there because I don't know the details. But what I'm going to say is only limited to my personal knowledge. My personal knowledge dictates that it's really shameful that they did that. Aren't you ashamed that you call yourselves Filipinos and you're trying to mislead the Filipinos to conform to a narrative that you want? You think na didn't you even bother to even think na who perhaps ma-interview si Attorney Kaufman masakpan ta? Oy, Ginoo ko Lord. Pasaylo ayon taon sila Ginoo. Mga bagag naong gyud. It's shameful. It's beyond reproach. Yeah. As an ordinary Filipino, I find it really shameful in today's age and time that it's so easy for individuals to call out other people who are just expressing their views, their personal thoughts and opinions, or perhaps exercising their rights to freedom of speech. And then you're going to call them out and label them as fake news peddler or whatnot. And then on the other hand, other entities such as whatever media outlets reporting something that are not verified. And when it's verified, how are you going to call them now? Are you going to call them out as well? Are you going to tell them, hey, what you did is wrong? You have broken several laws. You should be prosecuted. You should be cited in contempt. You should be in jail. How about the narrative that they have tried destroying an image of somebody? Oh, that's my point of view. It's so easy to associate somebody to be what without any valid proofs. You know, we should be better than that. Uy, unsa naman taon mo? Elliot, no problem. No problem, Elliot. It's my honor to be able to do this. No, and then you're going to call the vloggers as uneducated just because the fact that they have a cell phone, they're going to voice a question and then they're just going to turn on their video and start recording and then that's it. It's not about that. Actually, what they are doing is very important. Why? Because they are just literally covering what is an objective reality on the ground. Ganun lang. Wala silang naratibo. There's nothing for them but to just really cover what's happening on the ground. And you call them uneducated. You call them, perhaps it is right that they are not, because also you cannot really tell them or call them that they are not well trained because they really didn't have a training. Their purpose is not to become a journalist. Or perhaps one should question if these actions are actually damaging what journalists are doing, perhaps journalism is no longer relevant in today's age and time. Because everybody's digital, everything is digital, almost everything is digital, and everyone have their own digital device. Oh, perhaps that's the case, but I'm not saying that journalism is really dead. Ano na siya kung punto. Paano nila duha, oh, super na.
Gagawa ko ng location.
Oh, go.
Wait, ano pa ako, naghanap pa akong picture ilagay ko.
Lalagyan mo yung Duterte Forest.
Video na lang ni, Sen. May video ko na nandun siya.
Tayo, video natin, mga tao. Ang dami dyan.
Wala akong picture doon. Ikaw meron, wala ako.
Sa Aldo, meron yan.
Sen ba?
Video nila ang timilit.
Duterte Forest.
Ipakita sa akin. Sen sa akin. Maana ka, Sen sa akin.
Itong mga sa video.
Sen ba?
30 bus na next. Yes, sir. 30 park. Bus 20.
Sen sa ako.
Bus. Duterte toilet.
Pwede ko magsunod sila.
Here. This is Duterte Forest.
Oh, Sen sa ako.
I will just put it on. Accept.
Kunik ka na ito ba?
Oh, yeah,
Message mo na si Atty. Delgra.
Oh, na-message ka na.